Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 16b of chapter 16 parallelograms. One question is written on this board. Question number 2. In this question, the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm. The length of each side of the rhombus is. Students, first of all, draw a figure of the rhombus. A, B, C, D, B, a rhombus. One diagonal AC, longest diagonal AC. AC is given AC equal to 16 cm. And second diagonal is BD. Intersect at O. So second diagonal BD equal to 12 cm. Students, we know that the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. And all sides of rhombus are equal. AB equal BC equal to CD equal to DA. OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. AC is 16 cm, so 8 cm. And OB equal to 12 cm, bisect is 6 cm. Here form a right angle. So in right angle, AOB, hypotenuse AB, AB is the side of the rhombus. So side equal to AB equal to under root OA square plus OB square equal to 8 square plus 6 square equal to 64 plus 8 square 64 and 6 square 36. 64 and 36. 64 plus 36 equal to under root 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So the length of each side is 10 cm. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3. In this question, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 2x plus 25 degree and 3x minus 5 degree. The value of x is, so draw a figure of parallelogram ABCD be a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, angle A equal to 2x plus 25 degree and angle B equal to 3x minus 5 degree. 3x minus 5 degree. The value of x. Students, we know that the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So, in parallelogram ABCD, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree by sum of adjacent angles. Angles. Sum of adjacent angles. That implies the value of angle A is 2x plus 25 degree. 2x plus 25 degree. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles 2x plus 25 degree. Angle A plus angle B is 3x minus 5 degree. 3x minus 5 degree equal to 180 degree. Now solve it. 2x plus 3x equal to 5x plus 25 minus 5. 25 degree minus 5 degree equal to 20 degree equal to 180 degree. Next step is 5x equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree equal to 160 degree. That implies x equal to 160 degree by 5 equal to 5 3 ja 15, 1 0 10. So 5 2 ja 10 equal to 32 degree. Answer of this question. So understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 7. In this question, if an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, the smallest angle, the smallest angle, the smallest angle of the parallelogram is. So draw the figure of a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. One angle is suppose x and other angle is 2/3. So 2 by 3x. 2x by 3. 2x by 3. So let one adjacent angle be x. Let one adjacent angle be x. Then the other angle and the smallest angle. A smallest angle. It is a smallest angle also. A smallest angle equal to 2/3 means 2x by 3. We know that the sum of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So x, according to question, x plus 2x by 3. X plus 2x by 3 equal to 180 degree. sum of adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles. That implies LCM is 3. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. That implies 5x by 3 equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree into 5 by 3 by transposition change into 3 by 5 divided 180 degree by 5 times 5 3s are 15, 3 0 30, so 5 6 are 36 degree. Now 36 degree into 3, right, only 36, so 108 degree. Therefore the smallest angle is, therefore the smallest angle equal to 2x by 3 equal to 2 into 108 degree by 3 divided by 3, 108 divided by 3, 3 3 is 9 and 3 6 are 18, 36 degree equal to 72 degree. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. In this question, if one angle of a parallelogram is 24 degree less than twice the smallest angle, then the largest angle of the parallelogram is. So the let the smallest angle of parallelogram be x. Let the smallest angle of a parallelogram be x. Then the one angle, then the one angle, that means then the largest angle, largest angle equal to 24 degree less than twice the smallest angle. A smallest angle be x, so twice the smallest angle 2x minus 24 degree. Students, clear? A smallest and largest angle, one smallest angle and other largest angle, each also the sum of adjacent angle. So x plus 2x minus 24 degree equal to 180 degree, sum of adjacent angles. That implies x plus 2x 3x equal to minus 24 by transposition 180 degree plus 24 degree. That implies 3x equal to, add it, 4 degree, 8 plus 2, 10 of 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 2, 204 degree. That implies x equal to 204 degree 204 degree by 3 equal to divide 3 6 ja 18, 2 24, 3 8 ja 24. The value of x is 68 degree. Now, therefore, the largest angle equal to 2x minus 24. 2x minus 24 degree. So 2 into 68 degree minus 24 degree equal to 2 into 68 degree. 8 to the 16 of 6 carry 1, 6 to the 12, 113, 136 degree minus 24 degree. 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 112 degree. Answer of this question. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 16b. Thank you. That's all.